Yes, hello, welcome again. Today we'll be talking about how to create custom audience. Now, custom audience is so important in whenever you are marketing online with Facebook. Now, because you want to reach out to some set of people, that is what we call targeting. Do you understand? And whenever you hear anybody say you have to target your audience, this is where they are talking about. So I will want you to pay attention to this. I've told you this is very important, so you won't be wasting money. I sent a video in the morning talking about audience insight. Now you will have if you use the audience insight, you'll have know the kind of targeting you need to do. Now, but you need a custom audience. There are audiences, but you need one that is customized for the product you want to sell. Are you getting it now? Now, let's see how we can just create a custom audience. Let's see how we can just create a custom audience. So I will come here. Now, sorry, I'm not, I click on create. You can only click on create if you want to create a campaign. We are not creating a campaign. We want to set up what's it called? We want to set up a custom audience. It's not about creating a campaign, please. That was my error. So instead of me clicking click, I will come to this business to this dotted thing. You have to get used to using these things. So I have to click on this. Now, it will now take me to my audience. It take me to my audience. Remember, when we were doing the pixel, it was event manager. But this time around, we want to create audience. So to take me to audience, I will click on audiences. So when I get there, then I will be able to create my custom audience. Now, this custom audience are the ones I want to show my art to. I want to show my art to. I want to show my art to. I want Facebook pixel to track this set of people and show my art to them. And showing my ads to them, you can use it for retargeting or what we call remarketing. So we are here now. So you can see I have so many audiences. So let's see the types of audience we have. Now listen, we have audience, we have the custom audience, we have the lookalike audience, and we have the special ad audience and the save audience. The save audience are the ones when maybe when you are creating your what's it called your ad, and there's a place they say age, then you save it. That is not effective. It's okay, but when you really want to be target and remarket, the best bet is for us to use the custom audience. So you now come to create audience. It will now ask you, what sort of audience do you really want to create? Oh, I want to create a custom audience. Then I'll click on it. Something will show up to tell me what next to do. So let's wait for that. So now this will come up. Now you ask you, where do you want me to derive the sources from? Where do you want the pixel track, the pixel code to track these things, the activities you want to get from your custom audience? Now, I don't know them. I just want to create a tracking event that anybody that gets to this point, I want to know them. Do you understand me now? So where do you want them to look at? So you can create a custom audience on your website, customer list. Lead form, those people that fill form on Facebook, you can put a customer, you can create a customer audience for them. I will track them even though they're on Facebook. Do you understand? So if you don't want to, you don't have a sales page. When we talk about sales page, like what you did now, when you saw my advert on Facebook, you click and it takes you to a page. That's my sales page. So on that page, there's what we call pixel. So I've already created a custom audience for those. So I can send something again to you. You still see my advert, maybe on training or whatever. So because I have gotten a custom audience on you. So you have website, you have custom list, offline activity, Instagram account, event, Facebook page, people that will come to your Facebook page. Yes, I want to know those people that will come to my Facebook page. Remember when we talk about Facebook page, we are talking about your company page, your services page, do you understand? Or your product page. Shopping, that is e-commerce and so you have them. But for this class, I want to pick one of them, which is the website. Um, I want you to create a custom audience for my website. So I'll click here. Now, it's loading. Now, there are two things you need to do here. Add people to your audience, and two, name your audience. You must always give it a name, because whenever you want to do advert, you must create a custom audience, and this custom audience will help you a lot. So now I want to create a campaign. Do you understand? I want to create a campaign, so I need to give it a name. So I will come here. I'll say all website visitors within 30 days. It depends on your goal. You could say, okay, website visitor within 10 days. Anybody that visited my website in 10 days, or anybody that visited my website in 20 days or 90 days. I do 30 days. Yes, I do 30 days. I want fresh. I don't want long. I want fresh. If you put 90, those people that have visited the website in within 90 days. Do you understand? So you could say people who visited a specific page. Are you getting it now? So I'm going to click here. Now, what it means is that I want to sell a product. I have a sales page. So I'm not talking about people that visit my website alone. My website is just a website. There's a product page I want people to see. So I want to track those people that visit this specific. Now look up. This is my sales page now. This is a sales page. Now the ultimate guide on how to build a WhatsApp. So I have a sales page. I'm selling this. So I'm going to teach part of it in this part of digital marketing. So this is one of the book I created. So I said it for 2.5. So what it means is that I want to know those people that will click on my ad, that will get there, that will get to this page. So all I need to do is to copy this URL. You can see, I will copy it. Then I will go get here. Then I will now come here. I will paste it. Do you understand? I will paste it. So I want my pixel to track anyone that visits this page. And that person has become what we call my custom audience. For you to have an interest on on my product, that shows that you should be you should be my customer. You might not pay that time, but if I advertise often and often to you, you will pay. You might not pay at the first instance, but if I continue to target you, you will pay. You now wonder, why is this guy showing again and again and again and again? Because you have already visited once. And I've said anyone who visited my specific web page, and this is the specific web page within this. So I will now name it. So I will now say, okay, WhatsApp sales page. Now I will not click uh, click create audience. You can see it's so simple to create audience. I've not advertised. I'm just want to get my audience right now. Do you understand now? So I will now create. I will now click create audience. Now you see what will happen now. Your custom audience has been created. Your custom audience has been created. Your custom audience has been created. So we now say done. Now see pending. What it means is that it's looking at the sizes. Do you understand? It's waiting for people to come in. Now you have a custom audience called WhatsApp sales page. So anyone, this thing can only happen if you install a pixel. That's how we treated Facebook pixel from the beginning. So when we have done that, then you should be able to now develop your custom audience. Now, custom audience is used for retargeting. Custom audience is used for remarketing. Hope I'm clear, sir. Good. So that is what it is. So I believe I've been able to deliver on how to create a custom audience. And if you have any question, I believe if you have any question, please let me know. I will show you how to use it. But what we have just done is how to create it. Hope you are getting it. I've just shown you how to create it, but how to use it, I will show you later. You should know how to create it. Then after that, you know how can I use it. So we will do a campaign, then we'll use our custom audience. All right. So if you have any question, please let me know. I also thank you for your time.